What's up, YouTube? Just going to replace the seal where the hood and windshield wiper cowl meet because the clips are broken on the Lexus LX470. So I'm just going to show you a quick video of just me replacing that, and I'll also show you the part number. So stay tuned. I'm also going to lower it. So hit this button and put it in the low mode so it'll be easier to work on, closer to the ground. Then we're gonna pop the hood. Alright, so what we're replacing is, you can see it's actually stuck to the hood right there, and it goes across all the way. So this one just comes right off, you'll see. So now that you got that old one off, just make sure all these holes are open and none of those clips were left inside. And then you just open up the new one and put the new seal on. You just pop those little clips down, and you can see where they pop through right there, and then it'll hold the whole new seal on in the correct place, and then no more debris will come into the engine bay. So that's been needing to be done for a couple years. Finally got around to it. Hope you enjoyed the installation of this seal. If you liked the video, please hit like and subscribe. Stay tuned for a Good Guys Car Show video. I'll be going to that next weekend.